Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday, Flag Day. Monday, Flag Day, the first day of the week. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, Dominoes. Tuesday, Dominoes, the second day of the week. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, movies. Wednesday, movies, the third day of the week. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Thursday, salsa. Thursday, salsa, the fourth day of the week. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Friday, weekend. Friday, weekend, the fifth day of the week. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Saturday, play. Saturday, play, the sixth day of the week. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Sunday, family. Sunday, family, the seventh day of the week.